Government imposed restrictions on import of 101 weapons and military platforms and creation of a separate budget for domestic capital procurement in the current financial year is a path-breaking reform towards becoming self-reliant. This ban on imports of defense products would boost Indian domestic defense industry. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh announced on Sunday restrictions on the importation of 101 arms and combat vehicles, including guns for artillery, firearms for attack, and aircraft for transport. The Ministry of Defense is now ready for a big push to Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative. The Defense Ministry also bifurcated the 2020-21 capital procurement budget between the routes of domestic and foreign procurement of capital. A new spending head has been established in the current financial year with an outlay of almost 52,000 crore for domestic capital procurement. Increased capital in defense production will not only provide the domestic industry with a great economic opportunity, but will also give the country an immense strategic advantage in a rapidly evolving geopolitical situation. The list of 101 embargoed items comprises some high technology weapon systems like artillery guns, assault rifles, covert sonar systems, transport aircraft, light combat helicopters, radars, and many other items. The embargo on imports is planned to be progressively implemented between 2020 and 2024. Which Indian companies will benefit from this move by the government? Want to know more? Stay tuned to BizWith.